Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you'd purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at this Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore in a 37mm case with a rubber diving strap. Model reference number for this watch is 26231 ST.ZZ.D027CA.01. The current retail price for this watch for 2022 is $35,900 US. So I'm going to be going over all the aspects of this watch, the case, the bezel, the dial, the crown functions, as well as the movement, and I'll give you some of my thoughts on the watch review throughout the review. Now this is the Royal Oak Offshore. It's a 37mm watch case from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's a mid-size case watch, and this could be considered a mid-size watch. Now this case is rated to 50 meters or 150 feet for water resistance, so it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up. Let's go ahead and try this watch on my wrist for looks. See how it looks on my wrist. It fits perfectly. Not too far off the wrist. We're looking at the profile, side profile here. The lugs don't go over my wrist too much. This fits for a 37mm watch. Now going on to the bezel, let's go ahead and take a look at that bezel here. This bezel is set with about a carat of 32 brilliant diamonds to bring some light onto the dial. The bezel is secured down by 8 white gold hexagonal screws that completes the bezel accents that Audemars Piguet is known for. You can see those screws here at the corners. Really pretty. Now going into the dial, we are looking at this beautiful blue Lady Tapisserie dial. With a white gold index hour markers and luminous dots right outside of them for telling time in low light conditions. The beveled hour and minute hands loom have loom applied to them as well. Let's go ahead and turn off the light and see what they looks like in the dark. So you can see loom here on the hour markers as well. It makes it really easy for you to read. And there's three little loom dots at the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock positions as well. You're going to notice also the 3 subdials here at the 3, 6, 9 o'clock position. Here, here, and here. Those positions actually display the 30-second counter, small seconds at 6 o'clock, and minutes at 9 o'clock. If you look really closely, you'll see the date here at the 4:30 position with the matching blue background color. So it's easy to miss if you don't know what you're looking for. Now the crown here at the 3 o'clock position can be wound in its first position once it's unscrewed from the case. 1, 2, 3. 10 screws, 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. Now in the second position out, you can change the date. If you look at that 4:30 position, it transitioned over to 7, 8, and the 9th of the month. One more click out, you'll be able to change the hands, the hour and minute hands there. You can see it cycling around the dial. Once you have them set, you can screw down the crown and your watch is going to be set. The movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 2385 movement. It has the hour, minute, date, second subdial, and chronograph seconds, minutes, and functions. And the power reserve is about 40 hours, so that's not quite 2 days, but it's enough for the party and the after party you're going to. Movement of your wrist will also wind the automatic movement that's in this watch. Going on to the strap that holds this watch, we are looking at a matching blue rubber strap with a deployment. Now the AP logo deployment here closes up that bracelet securely. It's a single fold over deployment, so it's easy to clasp shut. Now, as far as what I think about this watch fits my wrist pretty well. As I have a mid-sized wrist, I could wear up to a 40mm watch without it looking too large on my wrist. And this one fits perfectly. Yeah, if you find that an AP42 or the 44mm Royal Oak Offshore looks too large on your wrist, you might want to consider stepping into the 37mm watches AP offers. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. This is the Royal Oak Offshore 37mm stainless steel chronograph with a blue dial. The model reference number again is 26231ST.ZZ.D027CA.01. Again, we are an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.